So welcome to the mathematics and a new video. Today I want to show you the addition formulas for the secant and the cosecant function. And first I want to make a recall. So I assume we know about this, about these four addition formulas for sine, cosine, tangent, and cotangent. I will not prove this one. But what we want to discuss are addition formulas for secants and cosecants. And I want to show two ways. The first one looks quite similar to the tangent addition formula, and also for the cosecants. And the second one, if you take a look, so sine and cosine addition formula, they uses sine and cosine. For tangent and cotangent, they use tangent and cotangent. So maybe it would be nice if we write the secants and cosecants also just in terms of secants and cosecants, and it looks like this. Now, a little bit more messy than the other fours. So, and we will discuss them. I will prove the addition formula for secants. For the cosecants, you can do it by yourself. It's quite similar. Alright, if you like, you can pause the video and try the proof by yourself. Okay, the first step is, of course, we want secants alpha plus minus beta. And secants is by definition 1 over cosine. And for cosine, we already have the addition formula. This is this one, so 1 over cosine alpha times cosine beta minus plus sine alpha sine beta. And now what we do is, it may be a good idea to extend this ratio with secants alpha times secants beta. And now we have to be careful. The numerator, we leave it as it is, secants alpha times secants beta. And we remember secants is 1 over cosine, so we multiply secants alpha times secants beta through the braces. So we have cosine alpha cosine beta over cosine alpha cosine beta minus plus sine alpha sine beta over cosine alpha cosine beta. Alright? So secants is 1 over cosine. Secants is 1 over cosine. Okay? Now we get here, the left part is 1. And sine over cosine is tangent. So this is the first possible addition formula. And for the second one, we extend one more time with cosecants alpha times cosecants beta. So we multiply through the braces. And what you get is, you can think about that, what we get is this result. So the numerator, secants alpha times secants beta times cosecants alpha times cosecants beta. 1 times the product of the cosecants is the cosecants, and tangent times cosecants is secants. Think about that. And this is the addition formula for the secants in terms of secants and cosecants. And like I said, the addition formula for the cosecants, I leave that as an homework for you. Have fun, enjoy, bye bye, see you next time.